In this video, we will start looking at how you can add photographic background image to your 3D scenes and realistic match the lighting and perspective. To get started, simply find an image you would like to use as a background and drag and drop into the canvas. With the environment selected, you will now have the Match Image action available. Click on the action and Dimension will automatically evaluate the image and provide its recommended setting for your background. Dimension can match the 3D scene to the background image size, lighting and perspective. Just click OK to apply and Dimension will match your scene and background. Depending on the background you use, perspective matching may be not available and lighting will give different result. In this example, use an outdoor background image with daylighting. Match image generate a sunlight. You can adjust the sun intensity to get a stronger shadows or the cloudiness to match overcast image and adjust how crisp the shadow edges are. If the background image contains multiple light sources, then match image will look for a strongest source and generate up the 3 direction lights. You can customize the lighting by deleting, editing or adding additional lights. For abstract backgrounds or situation where the match image is not sure about the lighting, it will offer 3-point lighting instead. 3-point lighting is a standard lighting setup that looks good in many situations. In addition to editing the light, you can also edit the perspective matching using the camera tools. Use the dolly and pan camera tools to change the size and positioning of your object while maintaining accurate 3D units and positioning. Use the orbit tool and the field of view camera setting to adjust perspective matching. We hope this video has been helpful in learning about how you can add background image to your Dimension project.